Welcome to Hi-Fi Space, which is born to change the world. This is Sujata, connecting from Bangalore. All of us are now together entering a new time zone. That is, one unified good time, where all of us can collectively bid a permanent goodbye to our difficult days and look forward to wonderful days ahead, right? It is said that life is short and hence we must make it sweet. But our lives have not at all been easy. Have we been able to enjoy any sweet moments at all? Hardly any. All along, it has been only stress, tension, worry, anxiety. We have been believing that bad karma, destiny, fate, bad luck, everything has conspired against us. Hence, endless suffering leading to big questions. How much longer can I carry on like this? What next? When will I see happy, peaceful days? Right? So, these have been our questions for which we have never found an answer. But I have the answer for you, friends. The fact that you are seated here in this presentation today itself is proof that a time has come for you to enjoy the fruit of all these years' hard work. God has heard your prayers at last. He has gifted you this great opportunity to change your life. Definitely, it is time to bid goodbye to empty pockets and wallets which are full of only credit cards. Hi-Fi Space is actually an innovative community platform. Innovative meaning something new, okay? Never seen before. Here, community refers to the entire world as one single group of like minded people who will be caring and sharing and helping each other. I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say that it's only a person who has already experienced hunger who will willingly part with his own food to appease the hunger of another. Accordingly, this platform has been designed in such a way that people who are already in trouble will help others who are also in trouble. Isn't this something very nice, very unique, very different? Based on the universal law of give generously, receive abundantly, give willingly, receive gratefully, everyone associated with Hi-Fi Space will be helping each other happily, gladly. Okay? Basically, Hi-Fi Space is not a business with only materialistic goals. It is, I can say, more connected to emotions and spiritual beliefs. By doing good deeds, we are hoping to earn good karma through which our lives can get better. Hi-Fi Space is completely automated and it is decentralized too. It is a donation based crowdfunding concept. Now, we are all aware of crowdfunding, just like these insurance companies where all of us are actually paying some premiums, but not everyone takes the money from there, right? Only some people will be able to take the benefit. That is one kind of crowdfunding. Donation based is to be put into inverted commas here because that is the main core of this platform. Okay, but at the same time, if you look at the bottom of the page, it says life changing new age earning system. What does this mean? These are two contradictory concepts. That is, giving a donation would mean giving away something without expectation, right? But here we are talking about earning money. So, how do these two things go together hand in hand? Young social entrepreneurs from the new generation conducted some surveys and then they analyzed that wealth distribution is not proper in the world. A proper, organized, and balanced wealth distribution system is all it takes to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. If you look at this picture, you will understand that money is going to get distributed very equally whether the person is rich, whether he is poor, whoever enters Hi-Fi Space, everybody is absolutely equal. So there is an equal and symmetrical distribution of wealth happening here. This platform has been created in such a way that it can facilitate free flow of money. That is how the proper distribution of wealth can happen. This is actually a blessing in disguise to us, I can say, because Hi-Fi Space is coming across as a zero-degree risk platform. You can see that there is no boss, nobody who's sitting here and controlling us, no rules, no conditions, no targets, no deadlines. So, when there is no company and there is no owner, it means that, we are our own boss. You are your boss, I am my boss. And this entire platform belongs to all of us, right? So, there is no authority, no middleman, no business model because this is not at all a business. No product to be bought or sold, no forex trading, no stocks or shares, no investment, no subscription, no mining, no gambling, no staking, no betting, no lottery, no money laundering, no fraud, and definitely no scam. Okay, and more than anything else, I have to tell you, everything is absolutely 100% transparent, legalized, safe, and secure. Crowdfunding is accepted in most countries, and it is only to do with you donating something from your own free will. So nobody can object to that, right? And this is 100% P2P, meaning peer to peer or person to person. We are actually already seeing that in our UPI system, that is the Google Pays and the Phone Pays that we are using. Already the money is traveling from one person's account directly to another person's account. So we are already aware that money travels directly from person to person without the money going round to some other company in between and getting parked there. So our funds are not parked anywhere else. One other important point to note is that there is no withdrawal button at all, meaning that there is no waiting, no delay, which can be caused because of withdrawal procedure. Mostly what has happened is earlier, wherever we have worked, our money has always been in the hands of some company and we had to wait for them to release our funds. So that kind of a waiting period is not here. This means that the money will directly reach the receiver the minute it goes from the giver. Okay? Since people from different parts of the globe will be participating here, one easily accessible currency has to be used, common to everyone. So that will be cryptocurrency, USDT, Polygon, cryptocurrency. Now, this platform itself is built on blockchain technology and will be using Polygon smart contracts. We have already heard about smart contracts and blockchain technologies. We will not be going completely into that part of it because you can always read from Google or you can get to know from different videos on YouTube. What is more interesting for us and what is more important for us is to understand how we can earn money from here. It is sufficient for us to understand that this being the new age, digital age, we will be using digital currency. Okay, and for the sake of receiving and giving donations through these USDT or the cryptocurrency, we will have to use a crypto wallet. These wallets are actually more than 270 in number. They can be freely downloaded and installed from our Play Store. Okay, and this is not any rocket science. You don't have to be worried at all because a few years ago we were not aware of UPI system also. Today, even uneducated people are using UPIs very easily. So this is not rocket science. We don't have to really worry about it. You can use any of these wallets for sending donations and for receiving donations. Okay. One important feature is that when you are creating your wallet, you must be very careful to keep these 12 words that you receive there on the screen. You must keep them safely written somewhere and you must make sure that you don't lose them because that is like your secret password. Okay. If you happen to lose them, you will never be able to access your wallet. And whatever money is there in the wallet, you will be losing it. So be very careful and also do not give it to anyone else. Don't share it with anybody else. Okay, this is one very important feature here. Now we'll be moving on to the actual plan. Okay, I cannot call this the business plan. I will call it an earning plan because we are only going to be receiving some return donations. This is like, I can call it a payback benefit. Okay, so you're giving something and receiving something in return. So this is like, the usual give and take policy that we see everywhere all over the universe. So it is the same policy. And here, once again, you can't really say that this is, proportionate to what we are giving. What we are giving is hardly anything, but what we will be receiving is something unimaginable. As we move through the plan, you will understand what I am trying to say because everything here is absolutely unpredictable. We have never ever come across this kind of a platform earlier. We have never even imagined that something like this can happen. Okay, so let us understand how things work at Hi-Fi Space. Okay, please switch off your mobiles. I would not like it if anything is disturbing you. All right, and give me your complete attention, please. For the next about half an hour, I'll give you all the details. And once you understand completely, you will know that this is the right platform for you and really your good time has arrived. Okay. Hi-Fi Space is completely based on artificial intelligence technology. AI has now invaded all fields, right? And according to the survey analysis that there has to be a proper wealth distribution system, a special structure was designed. Okay, it was decided that whoever joins Hi-Fi Space and takes up an ID here, all of them will be placed in a certain manner in such a way inside the structure that everyone will be able to get free flow of money. So this structure is known as a space matrix. Okay, everything that is happening here will be actually governed by artificial intelligence. Now, this artificial intelligence has an algorithm called Space Loop. We are looking at this robot who's seated here. I prefer calling him a he because, he looks like a he because he has such magical powers and he does a whole lot of unimaginable things. And he is our space partner. He is completely in charge of the structural program. He takes care of everything automatically. So let us give him a high five and move ahead. If you look at the center of the page, there is something called starter donation $50 Joe Top. This means that your entry into Hi-Fi Space requires you to give a donation, a one-time donation of $50. Joe Top meaning just one time out of your pocket. So when you give this $50 as a donation from your hand, what happens to that amount? That immediately gets split into 4 different parts. One part is on your left. 20% of this amount, which is $10, goes to your inviter. Inviter is the person who has invited you to the Zoom presentation, who has invited you to join him in this platform and make some money for yourself. At the same time, earn some good karma as well. This inviter is similar to your sponsor or your introducer. Okay. On the right side, you can see 80%, that is $40, goes to community, meaning 3 people in the community who you can see as A, B, and C. These 3 people are, you can call them your upliners. So they will be receiving 5%, which is $2.5. B will receive 25%, which is $12.5, and C will receive 50%, which is $25. So you can see here that your entire donation of $50 has immediately split into 4 portions and gone and helped 4 people. So 4 people have immediately been helped by you. So give once. That means just once out of your pocket, you're going to give $50, and with that money, you're helping 4 people. But what are you receiving? Lifelong, infinite help from 155 people. Now, this is definitely not proportionate, right? So, who are these 155 people is something that I will be explaining in the next few slides. The minute you give a donation, you become an active donor and you have a permanent place in Hi-Fi Space. Nobody can remove your ID, okay? Lifelong, you'll be going on receiving money from here for as long as this platform lasts. On the right side, you can see something called inactive donor who's on a contract basis. And there you can see an into mark saying that this is a free entry. This person who comes in is inactive because he does not have money for activating his ID. For such inactive donors, I'm giving you an option which is very unique to Hi-Fi Space. Our friend, the Space Loop, who is our space partner, has a special power of putting aside reserve funds. Out of the money that is generated, out of the money that we will be receiving as return donations, he will be putting aside a little money here and there in different kinds of reserve funds. One of these reserve funds is called a PIF wallet or Pay It Forward wallet. From this wallet, you will be able to help anyone who does not have money to pay for activation of his ID. So what I suggest to people is, you can talk to people and invite them and tell them that this is a beautiful concept. If they say that they don't have money, you can tell them that there's only one work to do here, which is inviting people to come and sit through the Zoom presentation. If they like it, they can join. If they don't like it, you will not be forcing them. By giving this kind of a promise, you can invite a few people. Now, why should you say that you are not going to force them? Because this platform has no conditions, no rules, nothing at all, correct? So we cannot force anyone. Everything is done willingly. So you can invite someone like this and then you can keep a watch. See, this person will be in a contract for 50 days. Within those 50 days, you can keep a watch on him and understand whether he is really interested in working here. Is he really trying hard and inviting some people? The minute you see that he is inviting people who are also willing to join, at that point in time, you can help him with the money from this reserve fund. So till then, don't waste your money. Okay. At that time, you help him with that money and activate his ID. And then after that, if he joins the people that he has invited, what will happen is he will be able to start earning too. Once he starts earning, you can ask him to pay back the money that you have helped him with. Or if you are grandly generous and you don't want to take that money, that's definitely up to you. All right. So this is one beautiful option available here through which we can, actually get in more people, help them also, and help ourselves also. From them, we will get money. Because of us, they will also start earning money. They will earn good karma. We will earn good karma. We will be helping so many other people. Little by little, each of us will be contributing a little towards making this world a better place for everyone. Right? Isn't it a beautiful concept? I think so. A person who is active and who starts working here, that is, who starts inviting people, will receive two types of return donations. One is from the person that he has invited, that is $10, like how you gave to your inviter. Similarly. And the other kind of return donation is from the community. You also gave to 3 people in the community, right? Similarly. So this is the work, the only work that can be done here. There's nothing else at all for you to do. Okay. Below this, you can see on your left side something called a non-working donor. Non-working or passive income is possible but not predictable. We cannot predict the date or time when anyone will receive the money. Incomes have come to some people within 10 days, within 15 days, within 1 month. Some people even after 2 months they have not received. It all depends upon so many other factors which are beyond our control. So because of that, what I say is, always one thing to remember is karma is nothing but doing something. It is work. When you do something, there is a consequence, there is a result. Similarly, in physics, it says an action will get you an equal and opposite reaction. Even if you have to start a car, you have to insert the ignition key. You have to turn the key. Without doing even that much, how will the car start and how will it move forward? Like that, the least we can do is invite 1 or 2 people to come here, listen to the Zoom meeting. You don't have to go around giving them plans, and now technology has taken over, right? So everything is digitalized, everything is online. Invite 1 or 2 people, maximum 5 people itself is enough. You don't require thousands of people in hi-fi. Please do try. Don't waste your time. Let us do a little bit while we are in the waiting process. So that is my advice to you from my experience. When we invite people, what are we gaining from them? What are we getting from them? What is the return donation that we are getting from them? Here you're seeing space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each space is larger than the previous space. One larger room or one larger hall. Each hall is at a different level, indicating an upward movement in our life. Okay. So to enter space 1, you and your friend and everybody else also has to pay a starter donation of $50. After that, movement into space 2, 3, 4, 5 does not require any payment from you. It says it is an auto upgrade with no need for you to pay from your hand. So this auto upgrade is like a promotion to the next space, which is also taken care of by our friend, the Space Loop. Okay, Space Loop is an algorithm. Basically, he understands what you do. So if you invite people, that is when he understands that you are here to make money. If you don't do anything, if you are inactive, you're totally sitting without doing anything, what he will do is he will think that you are fast asleep and you do not want to be disturbed, and he will just move ahead and look at other people and start helping them. So, like I was telling you, if there is an action from our side, definitely there'll be an action from the opposite side. If I want money, it means that I have to do something which will get me that money. So then there'll be help coming from the other side as well. When you invite one person, that person will pay you $10 immediately out of his $50, just like how you paid to your inviter. Okay, so that is in the first space. Just like you, he will also be moving to space 2, 3, 4, 5 through auto upgrade. Now, when he is getting upgraded, once again, Space Loop will consider that he has been invited by you all over again in space 2. And he will once again see that you get another $50. That is 20% out of the entry fee, which is $250 for space 2. you will be receiving once again and again and again and again multiple times from the same person. This means that Space Loop understands that this person has been invited by you. He belongs to your team. He is your friend by looking at the invitation link which has been used at the time of your friend joining. Because of that, the Space Loop understands that the two of you are inseparable friends for all through your life. Okay, right. Now let us go into the matrix donation. So I told you in the beginning itself that matrix is a special structure. Now whoever enters Hi-Fi Space and gets an ID, he will be seated in a certain place within this matrix, and because of that there will be free flowing money and easy wealth distribution system here, right? So you can be anyone that is on top. Every person who enters a Hi-Fi Space gets a similar matrix. Okay, so he becomes the owner of 155 positions inside this matrix. This is a 3-level matrix, and in the first level there are 5 positions, 25 positions in the second level, 125 positions in the third level. You can imagine that you are sitting on the top step in a stadium or an auditorium. The other 3 steps are below you. Your friends are all going to be seated there in these 3 steps. These friends might be people that you have yourself invited, or they might be friends of your friends who have already entered this system, or they might be people who have been invited by your upliners, or it might be from compounding of IDs. I will talk to you about that a little later. So from there also you'll be getting some more IDs to fill up all these matrix positions. So this is a collective effort of so many different factors, so many different people all working together with the help of Space Loop 2, and the global community also coming in at a later date. So everyone together will be filling up the matrix for everybody, because of which this 155 positions will be paying you passive income. This is the passive income that is surely going to come to you, but which is unpredictable. A total of $3,450. 5 seats or 5 positions, each will pay you $2.5. 25 people in the second level, each paying you $12.5. 125 positions in the third level, each paying you $25. The total comes to $3,450. Okay. Now from this, if you subtract the $50 that you gave in the beginning as starter donation, you're still at a profit of $3,400. Okay. And apart from this, however many people you invite, each person gives you $10. So that $10 plus this is what you'll be gaining in Space 1. When you move on to other spaces, what will happen? Space 2, 3, 4, 5 are all 5 times of the previous space. So each space is 5 times larger than the previous space. So the earnings you will get will also be 5 times more than the previous space. Now here you can see in Space 1 it is $3,450, right? When you multiply that by 5, in Space 2 you will be receiving $17,250. In Space 3 it is $86,250. In Space 4 it is going to be $4,31,250. So this increases 5 times in each space. This happens within a polygon timestamp, meaning whoever comes first moves into the next space first. So it doesn't mean that person who has been invited by you has to be seated only below you all through his life. No, he can move ahead. He can go into Space 2 first, and you might go in later because he might be faster than you. He might be inviting more number of people, because of which he'll be earning more dollars. So there are no hard and fast rules here. Remember, no conditions at all. But still, whatever amount has to come from him will keep coming to you because he has been invited by you, and that invitation link is linking the two of you all through your life. Now, this is a very important slide. You can see that the Space Loop has some magical powers. First power is auto fund reservation. This power ensures that there is a smooth, symmetrical, balanced wealth flow and distribution. Because of this, Space Loop starts putting aside some money in reserve funds, I told you. So now let us see what are all those reserve funds. Okay. The yellow that you see on the right side, this is called Pay It Forward or PIF wallet. Specifically, money from the second level, from positions 1 to 5 and 11 to 15. these 10 positions, each one has a value of $12.5. So $125 goes into this yellow color PIF wallet. Okay. And from that wallet, you can use the money for helping your friend to create an ID for himself. And you can ask him to pay you back a little later. This money is coming from whatever is generated for you from this system, meaning nobody is paying from the hand once again. Next, let us look at the blue color. This is called Upgrade Wallet. Level 3, 10 positions, each one carrying a value of $25, meaning $250. So as soon as 1 to 10 positions are filled up, $250 will be there. Your ID will be sent into Space 2. Now, immediately, the next question that comes to us is, if my ID goes into Space 2, then what will happen to my team, which is actually growing here? I have completed only 3 levels here. Look at the green box. This is called Rebirth or Re-Entry Wallet. Here, Space Loop puts aside some more money from 30 positions in the 3rd level. Each position has a value of $25. So that is $750. Here, he uses the second power, the power of compounding. He creates more and more IDs. That means your ID will be reborn again. Because 50 is the starter donation for each ID. So 750 divided by 50, the answer is 15, which means that 15 new IDs will be reborn, and those IDs of yours will be taking care of the lower positions in the matrix, the other lower levels. Okay, so you're not losing anything. This means that the value of 50 positions have been put aside into these 3 wallets, and this is going to help you as well as the community. Now, apart from this, out of 155, 50 is gone. So that means you are left with 105 positions. What happens to that money? Look at all the red boxes. The money from the 5 positions in first level. Then in the second level, it is 6 to 10, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. That is totally 15 positions. Then in the 3rd level, 21 to 30, 41 to 50, 61 to 125. All the money that comes from these positions will go into your private wallet, directly into your crypto wallet, which you can actually use at any time as per your wish. Okay. Whereas the other wallets, whatever money is getting accumulated, all that is reserved for all these other activities. So you cannot use them directly. It has to be used only by Space Loop to help you and to help others in the community as well. If the entire money comes to our hands, what will we do? We will use up everything. And when the time comes for an upgrade or for something else, then we will not have any amount left with us. Now, all this time we were looking at the money that we get in dollars. Now, let me explain to you how it works in Indian rupees. Okay, the same thing that you saw in the private wallet, the red boxes. That amount is what I'm going to explain here. I will not explain the entire table. It is enough for you to look at the black band here, which talks about 15 rebirth, 25 rebirth, and so on. In the private wallet, in Space 1, there will be an accumulation of $2,325 as against the $50 that you paid as a starter donation. So this $2,325 is approximately 2 lakh rupees. Okay, and you are also getting 15 rebirth IDs. Okay, without paying for it, right? These 15 rebirthed IDs are exact Xerox copies of your original ID. So whatever benefits your original ID has enjoyed, everything will be enjoyed by these IDs as well. Remember, your first original ID has already moved into second space. Here, 15 rebirths will take place, and each rebirthed ID will once again earn 2 lakhs. That means 30 lakhs in total. Similarly, in Space 2, there will be 25 rebirths and you will earn 2.5 crores, which is 10 lakhs into 25 rebirths. Because each space is 5 times more than the previous space. In Space 3, it is 50 lakhs and 125 rebirths. So the total will be 62.5 crores. In Space 4, it is 625 rebirths and that will be earning you 1,562.5 crores. Oh my God. And Space 5 will give you 3,125 rebirths and a grand total of 39,000 crores. There is no necessity for us to go on investing and taking up more number of IDs. Just one ID is going to get you all this. Have you ever seen this kind of a system anywhere? Have you ever imagined that this kind of money is possible in your life? Never, never, never. This is definitely something that God has given to us as a gift. It's very easy for us to earn around 30 lakh US dollars, 3 million, okay? And with no work All I said was invite a few people to come and sit down and listen to the Zoom presentation that one of us is giving. That is all the work you're doing. So let us be very thankful with an attitude of gratitude. Let us help others. Let us pay forward whatever favor we have received from our friends, from God as well. And through that, let us get rid of our karmas. Let us wash away our sins. Let us flush out all our bad karma and earn good karma also, earn a lot of money also, help others also earn good karma and also get rid of their problems. And let us all collectively try and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you so much. Good luck and God bless you. This is the end of my presentation.